In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zendesk ticketing effectively. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, the very first step you'll want to take is to log into your Zendesk account. To do this, head over to the Zendesk website. Once there, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. From here, enter your email and password to access your dashboard. It's that simple. Now that you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. From here, we need to create a new ticket. To do this, hover over the Add option in the menu, which you should see at the top of your screen. When you hover over it, a drop-down menu will appear. Select Ticket from this menu. This action will open up the ticket creation window where you can start filling in the necessary details. Next, let's identify the requester. This step is crucial as it helps you keep track of who is making the customer service request. Click on the Requester field, which is usually located at the top of the ticket form. Here, you can either enter the individual's name or select from a list of customers if they're already in your system. This ensures the right person is attached to the ticket. After identifying the requester, the next step is assigning the ticket. On the ticket form, locate the Assignee field. This is where you can allocate the ticket to a specific team member or group who will be responsible for resolving the issue. It's important to assign it to the right person so the customer receives timely assistance. Once you've assigned the ticket, you'll want to categorize and prioritize it. In the ticket creation form, there's a Type drop-down menu. Click on this and select the ticket's nature, whether it's a question, incident, or problem. This helps in organizing tickets and allows your team to respond more effectively. Next, you'll have to set the priority level. This step is all about urgency. You should see a priority option allowing you to choose how urgently the ticket needs to be handled. This can typically range from low to critical. Setting the priority accurately will help your team focus on what matters most urgently. Now that you've categorized and prioritized the ticket, it's time to add some details and save it. Start with the subject line. Make sure to fill in a descriptive subject line that serves as a quick reference for anyone looking at this ticket later. Then, you'll find a public reply box. This is where you can write your message to communicate with the customer. You might want to include any relevant details or next steps they should expect. Finally, once everything is filled out and looks good on your end, look for the Save or Submit button at the bottom of the ticket form. Click it to save the ticket, and voila, you've successfully set up a Zendesk ticket. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to create and manage tickets in Zendesk. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore those features further. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.